the government shall work towards amendment of the 1996 passport law to lengthen the validity of the passports from the current 5 years to 10 years. Total, kayo naman ang magagawa ng batas. The ordinances will pass the law. Even if you make it good for 30 years, okay ako. Bahala ka. Basta stretch a little bit because 5 years is just really simply on a regular basis. Matagal pa naman itong passport. Mag-apply ako ng mga 10 days na. Alam mo, I'd like to call the attention of Secretary Yasay. If you go to Davao, look back doon sa, look at the back likod ng itong mall, malaking mall. Sige, pangalanan lang natin, SM. Doon, yung mga tao, nandyan sa pavement, natutulog. For the many times, nadaan ako na walang-wala. Doon yan sila. Because first come, first serve. And the only outlet there, the outlet of your department is yung CSA. So yung mga maawa ko dito sa side sa Cotabato, lahat ng Cotabato doon sa Davao. Karamihan niya ulang-ulang mga bahay. If you're applicant in Davao, say it's fine. At yun ang ulang-ulang mahirap kasi karamihan dyan mga moral. Naghihiga lang dyan sa paper. Masakit. Buong gabi mo dahil hanggang magpugas yan kasi sabi ko, addressing to all of the cabinet members, make use of the, I do not want to see people lining up under the heat of the sun. I do not want people lining up under the rain.